Welcome. This is an introduction to Stock4Q app. Stock4Q is an iOS app that provides real-time stock quotes for iPhone and iPad. I have pre-installed the app on my simulator, and we are looking at the login screen. I can log in using Facebook or email. I have pre-authorized my app for Facebook, so I'll just go ahead and confirm. And now we are within the portfolios page. This shows me the list of portfolios that I've pre-created. When you arrive in the app for the first time, this page will be empty. Let's go ahead and click on the plus icon, and we'll create a new portfolio. Type in a name. So let's change to landscape mode. Let's call it a test. And I can type in some ticker symbols. I'll type in CRM for Salesforce and Baba for Alibaba. There's a list of ticker symbols which is showing up. If you shake the app, shake the device, this list changes. And I'll pick in GD from here and save my portfolio. So now I have a new portfolio named A-Test, and it has 10 ticker symbols. And when I click on it, we arrive at the charts page. This is showing us the portfolio mix as of now as a pie chart. It has a total value of 14,000, and Google is almost 53% of our portfolio. Whereas Facebook, Apple, Netflix, those are a little bit more evenly distributed. Let's scroll down, and this is the portfolio performance over the last month. Around $12,000 on October 7th, and November 25th, it's 14,000. Now we can look at the actual real-time quotes. Click on the quote button, and now we have a list of streaming quotes where I can see the change, the percentage change, value, and gain. I can sort by any of these columns. And I can add new stock symbols by clicking on the plus icon. If I don't know the ticker symbol, I can just type in the name of the company. So I typed in work, and this list is going to change dynamically as I type. And I'm interested in Workday. That gets added. If I actually want to edit it, I can always click on the edit button to change the default allocation. By default, we are adding 10 shares for each ticker symbol. I can change and say for Google, we have 3. I can also add a buy price for some of the stocks. Facebook, let's say we bought at 75. Apple at 80. Netflix was at 72, and Google for 500. I'm done with my changes, and now you can see that the gain column is populated for those stocks for which we have the buy price, and I have the total gain for my portfolio at 1968. If I want to see the details of a particular stock, I can click on that. Let's click on Netflix. And we see the line chart which shows the stock value over the last month or so. There was a dip around November 13th when it was $103. And November 23rd, it's been $125. You can see more details like trade, change, the lows and highs, market cap, volume, and further down, you actually have the news articles and stories for this app. If I'm interested in a story, I can click on it. It opens that. I can read it and then close it. I can navigate back to the real-time list. And then when I go back, I'm on the charts page now. And over here, since I did change the allocation, Google is only 23% of our portfolio now. And the total value of the portfolio is 9,635. Can go back to the list of my portfolios, and there are a few more choices available. If I want to change the settings, I can click on settings icon menu. If I'm having some issues, you can contact support and you can log out. This was a quick introduction for Stock4Q app. Thank you.